girl, it's definitely giving Love Don't Be Shy. So
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck.
Hey bougie bestie, it's Teresa Shea from Fly Fierce Fab, and today we're getting ready to go to Boston to see Burna Boy. Hey girl, so here's the tea. Today is the Burna Boy concert that is happening in Boston, so I just finished my makeup and I'm trying to hurry up and finish like packing my stuff because my girl Joretta and I are gonna drive up to Boston to go to the Burna Boy concert, and then there's an after party going down as well that Burna Boy is supposed to be hosting. So the concert's outside and it's like 90 degrees out in Boston today, so I really need to make sure I set my makeup well, this way it lasts like all day. Now girl, I know I sprayed a lot, but I really need this to last because like I said, it's gonna be a long day. Speaking of long lasting, I really want to make sure I pick the perfect perfume for today. Now we gonna be outside, so I need to make sure I have a scent that lasts. So this video today is in partnership with Dossier. They sent me over some perfumes to try. Dossier is a company that creates a lot of great fragrances that are really affordable. They're actually $39 a bottle, and they're inspired by a lot of like luxury and designer scents. And you know, we're on the bougie on a budget side of YouTube over here. So if you have a scent that you love or are curious about trying and you're looking for it at a more affordable price point, definitely check out Dossier. They have a lot of great alternatives where you can get a very similar scent but at a much lower price point. And Dossier has hooked up all of my bougie besties with a 10% off promo code. I'm going to have that down in the description box so you guys can check it out and save some coin when you make your purchase over there. So I picked out 4 fragrances from Dossier to try, and today I know that I want a scent that is really sweet. You know, I love a good sweet perfume. So first let me show you guys the ones that I got. Let's start with this one. Is called Fruity Brown Sugar. The top notes are bergamot, pear, and raspberry. The middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar, and it has base notes of patchouli, amber, and vanilla. And this scent is inspired by YSL Mon Paris. Next up, I have Powdery Coconut. This one, the top notes are cardamom, pistachio, bergamot. It has middle notes of ylang ylang, I hope I pronounced that correctly, tuberose, jasmine, cedarwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut. And Powdery Coconut is inspired by Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I'm not even gonna hold you, I do have a sample of the Tom Ford perfume and I have tried this before in the past. As soon as I smelled this perfume, it was very similar to Soleil Blanc by Tom Ford. So if you're looking for a good bougie on a budget alternative for that perfume, I would try Powdery Coconut by Dossier. Again, $39, and you got that 10% off discount code down in the description box. Then I have Gourmand's White Flowers by Dossier. Its top notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. And Gourmand's White Flowers by Dossier is a scent that is inspired by Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. And then last but not least, I got Floral Marshmallow, and I know for sure this is the perfume that I'm going to wear today. Its top notes are marshmallow, neroli, bergamot, middle notes of orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, hope I pronounced that right. It has base notes of amber, vanilla, and musk. And the reason why I had to have Floral Marshmallow is because this scent is inspired by Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. If you watched any of my other perfume videos, then you know Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian is one of my all-time favorite sweet scents. However, the full-size version is pretty expensive, and the travel size version, this is about $45, and you can see about like how much I have left. So I figured I would try Floral Marshmallow by Dossier to see if it's similar. Girl, it's very much giving Love Don't Be Shy. I'm getting the same sweet notes, I'm catching the orange blossom, I'm catching the marshmallow. Like, this smells very similar. So if you can't get your hands on that, or you're just looking for a more affordable alternative, definitely check out Floral Marshmallow by Dossier. I need to make sure I bring this with me because this is going to be my fragrance of the day. And you know what, right now, girl, gonna go ahead and put some on. We made it to Boston! We just checked in our hotel. We're staying at the Hyatt, and conveniently, it's right across the street from the concert venue, so we can like hear them doing a sound check and whatnot. It was really nice and spacious. Ran into some people who are here for the concert, and they're going to the after party too tonight. So we're gonna rest a little bit. I already ordered dinner from Empire because if you had seen any of my birthday content on Instagram, that food slapped. So our DoorDash order arrived. For some reason, our Dasher did not tell us that he literally just left the food like on a ledge in the hotel. Even though I could have stolen it. Exactly, anybody could have taken the food and walked off. He like literally just left the bag. Mind you, it has my full name on it, and he dipped. Didn't send me a message or nothing. But anyways, we got the food from Empire. Let me show you the bag without showing you my name. Empire, this is a really good lounge and restaurant in the Boston area. If like you're looking for some good Asian food and like a nice like lounge, Empire is a good place to go. We got their house fried rice, and then we have the salt and pepper chicken wings, and we're about to eat. Finally finished eating, and I have my outfit on for the Burna Boy concert tonight. Now, this set, I actually got it on Amazon, and the set altogether, I believe, was about like $18. And it is a dupe for the set that they were selling at Zara. I think the top was about like 40 bucks, and the shorts were 40 bucks or something like that as well. It had sold out completely, and I showed you guys on TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, this is what you're missing out on, girl. Fly for your swag everywhere. But if you follow me on TikTok, then you saw me talk about this set. I am wearing it in a size medium, and it's really, really cute, and it's perfect for a day like today where it is super hot out, girl. So now, I don't like my skin shining and things like that, so I'm gonna put on some body glow product. I have the Glow Motions Samba Sway Glow Oil from Sol de Janeiro. They actually gave this to me when I went to Ipsy, and I really like this. It adds like a nice bronzy glow to your body. My other favorite is definitely the Fenty the Body Lava, but I really like the glow that this gives my skin. For pictures, not even gonna hold you, I brought some orange heels, but for the actual concert itself, I'm just gonna wear some white Nike Forces, girl, because, you know, I want to be able to dance and move comfortably. We're gonna save the heels for the after party. And the body oil actually has like a nice summery scent to it. It smells like coconuts and it smells very tropical. So it's a very nice complement to the Dossier fragrance that I'm wearing today, which is Floral Marshmallow. So the shades that I'm going to wear with my outfit today are orange tinted shades from Amazon. You can see the color better there. I'm just like holding it over the painting. These are like 12 bucks. So whole outfit today, girls, Amazon. $12 shades, a $17 outfit. Amazon definitely understood the assignment. And I will link my Amazon shop down below in the description box, so you guys can get the links to all this stuff. But yeah, let's put that up there. It's kind of cute. She's giving. I do not need a jacket today, like at all. It is 90-something degrees outside. But you know, for the aesthetic, girl, I brought my orange denim jacket that I was able to hunt down during the Zara sale. For pictures, I also brought my Coach denim bag, and then these heels from Shein, right? I want to say that these were like less than $20, something like that. I got these for my Hawaii trip back in February, so I brought those for pictures. So for the actual venue themselves, they do have rules about how big your bag can be to like go when they have a bag policy. So my cute denim bag from the Coach outlet is actually too big. Your bag has to be like about the size of your hand. So I have, so thankfully I have my trusty gold bag, and I got them from H&M a few years ago. So I'll be carrying this tonight for the concert, and then also for the Burna Boy after party. Let's see what else. I have just about everything I need in my bag. It looks kind of small, but I fit my essentials, you know, some lotion, my wallet, girl, my asthma inhaler, because I can't be passing out. Then you're gonna have to call my mom, and how are you gonna explain that? Like, how do you explain that? I have some mints, some lotion, hand sanitizer, because if you know me, one thing I always have is hand sanitizer. The second thing, baby, is some Lysol wipes. I do not play. And then I needed to make sure I had a way to charge my phone, because like I started this video on my DSLR at home, right? But when I vlog, I always use my phone, because like at some places they're funny about like if you can bring your camera in, but girl, you can always use your phone. So when I vlog, I use my iPhone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and I needed like a good portable charger that could fit and everything, because a lot of them are like bulky and they take up space in your bag. Like the one I have at home, if I put it in this bag, I would have had to leave half the stuff I have in here. So let me tell you, I serve an on-time God, because right as Jordan pulled up to come get me, Amazon just dropped off my packages, and I said, God, you be looking out. I know it says charge card and it looks like a credit card, but this is actually a portable charger for my phone. This is really lit. It's super thin too, if you guys can see. So basically, it was about $50 on Amazon, and it comes with a bunch of different plugs. So I put on the one for the iPhone like lightning connection, and then you just put the wire through up here so like it holds it and it doesn't get tangled or anything. And then to power it on, you just push this button right here. If you guys can see that, it's fully charged. And then I push the button again to turn it off. And again, super thin. I can slide this into any of my bags, and I'll be able to charge my phone. Concert Janetta is looking cute. Come on, fine girl. Hey, hello. We outside. So like I said, the venue is like literally right next door. So we're gonna catch, the elevator down and then make our way across the street and head to the Burna Boy concert. I do not know who's opening for him. I tried to Google it. Did you see anything? No, okay, so we gonna find out when we get there, girl. But it's gonna be what? A good time.
We gonna have a good time. Hey, we gonna have a good time.
Just left the Burna Boy concert. It was lit. It was so good. He came out like mad late though. He came out like 2 hours after the concert started, like no shade. But now we gotta get back to the hotel to get like freshened up and whatnot so we can head to his after party that he's supposed to be hosting. You know, I got a cute little outfit for that. I know Jaretta does too.
I do.
So it was about that time. But it was a really, really good time. I heard all the songs that I wanted to hear and had me a grand old time. So now let's try and cross the street without getting hit by a vehicle. So I bought a shirt at the Burna Boy concert. I got this one. It was literally the last one left in a small, so I feel like it was meant to be. And I went with this one because like I wanted one that I could wear with a bunch of other stuff, and I feel like this would be really easy to style. Tell me why. So when we got over there, they were selling drinks. So I was like, okay, cool, let me get some sparkling water in a can. So I got like the Liquid Death sparkling water. It's like $12. I was like, girl. So I bought it. First of all, the bartender opened it for me, and I know he was trying to be helpful, but this man stuck his whole bum in my drink, and I was like, it's $12. I'm gonna have to bless it and drink it. It's hot out here. Then, like at the venue, they have like cup holders on the back of each chair. So I put my drink in the cup holder. So it's like the chair in front of me has a cup holder that's for me. So it's facing me, but it's behind the chair of the person in front of me. Shorty had like this long, beautiful hair, but like she tossed it and I just watched her curls go right inside my can. I said, you know, it's a wrap. That $12 is a whole wash. Now that I'm back here, I can have me some water and replenish my electrolytes because a girl is thirsty and I need to be like on my A game. Pulled a quick switcheroo. Have my outfit for the after party on. I'm gonna wear this necklace that I actually gotten at TJ Maxx for like $10 or something like that, and it's basically the outline of the map of Africa. I like how that looks with this. And like low-key, I'm like a little bit bloated because it's like about like that time of month right now, but like I feel like this outfit hides it well. And now I'm just gonna put on a little bit more of my fragrance, which is Dossier's Floral Marshmallow. I can still smell it on me, so it's definitely long lasting, but because like low-key girl, I've been like sweating all day because we've been outside, it's hot. The concert venue itself was hot as well and it was outside. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to keep it cute. And you know, do a little bit. Do a little walk through, a little moon walk through back. I got a little bit on my fingers, so I'm gonna put that behind my ears. It smells so good. I thought about adding a gloss because you know I love a glossy lip, but I'm gonna wear a mask out. And I don't like when my gloss sticks to my mask. So I've been just sticking with a matte lip. So the lipstick that I'm wearing is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored, I think. Whatever the nude shade is. And I love that because it's really long lasting and it doesn't transfer. Fluff this wig out a bit, child. Then we're gonna run downstairs and catch the Uber. So the last time that we were heading to the elevator, a few people had to stop and look. And we wasn't even all the way together yet. This time, let me let you know, they definitely gonna be stopping and looking.
Yes.
Period. We had a time last night. So as you can see, there's no footage we returned from the after party. The after party was... it was okay. We never actually saw Burna Boy there. I heard that I guess he had wound up going much later, not really sure. Met some interesting people at the concert. It's like a little after 7 this morning now, and the hotel where we're staying in, actually this was an excellent choice because like I showed you guys, not only is it right across the street from the venue, but like they include breakfast with your stay. Made it back safe and sound. Now I am outside of Whole Foods because I need to do like a couple of returns for Amazon Prime stuff that came in right before we left for Boston, but like I didn't wind up needing, so like the rain ponchos I ordered and stuff like that. But thank you guys for hanging out with me for my Boston vlog, going to see Burna Boy, trying out a new Dossier perfume, and just like enjoying a nice, good girls' day. And girl, you can catch me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, all the places, child. I'm Fly for Your Fab everywhere online. online. Thanks for watching, stay snatched, and I'll see you next time.
No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it off. I wake up, flex. Thumb down, now check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it